Meta recently released Meta Muse Spark 1.1, a multimodal model with a special emphasis on agentic coding. For businesses, Meta Muse Spark is designed to handle large agentic coding projects, bug detection and repair, as well as code migrations, which may involve rewriting a massive code in one programming language into another. Just as Meta's contrarian open source stance was a good way of keeping attention on its AI efforts, the Meta Muse Spark 1.1 release generated headlines because of Meta's gambit on another hot button AI issue: usage costs. Businesses everywhere are facing the reality that AI usage costs can rack up fairly quickly, especially with experimentation with vibe coding that could have multiple agents doing a lot of background work that chew up usage credits. One industry that is vibe coding quite a lot is e-commerce. Being able to quickly whip up digital storefronts, integrations, and quick A/B testing of landing pages and more is really chewing up a lot of tokens. An example would be creating a website or product page mockup on Figma or Canva, then giving that design prototype to AI to generate an actual website based on that quick design. Depending on the size of the e-commerce business, the token costs can add up fairly quickly if they are using an API integration or developer hub like Claude Console and are doing things like generating tons of product pages. Meta offering prices that undercut the competition is well timed. And again, Meta is considered to be kind of behind power-wise in the AI race, so it kind of needs to take these bigger gambles, kind of larger headline-generating moves to stay relevant. What Meta likely recognizes is that AI pricing among two of the biggest names in AI, namely OpenAI and Anthropic, must be informed by those companies' daunting climb that must be made to profitability. Both those companies are spending a lot on building out data centers and are eating a lot of compute costs as users use AI over and over and over again in their daily workflows. Keeping usage costs high relative to what Meta, which is massively profitable, can set is something that Anthropic and OpenAI have a lot of motivation to do. OpenAI itself, it should be said, has this year been weighing price cuts in the hope of converting customers from Claude, which has enjoyed a reputational boost in the past year to become perhaps the forerunner in the AI race. In fact, some tech leaders, even in AI, are admitting that Claude Fable is really the state-of-the-art model available today. Part of this is that Meta initially chose to go the open source route with its models, instead of the industry standard of treating AI models architecture as a black box. Meta, the tech company formerly known as Facebook, has never been anyone's pick for the frontrunner in AI. However, Meta's strategy may be made in patient wait to convert business owners that may have been drawn to ChatGPT and Claude thanks to successful branding as well as model strengths. If Meta's AI is one day able to offer more competitive prices than Codex or Claude Code while matching those in performance, then Meta may just see strong growth in its AI efforts. Usage costs are a touchy subject because businesses' AI usage is steadily increasing as well as expanding into different areas. We are some ways away from the days of simply having ChatGPT help draft emails. People are definitely still doing that sort of thing on a daily basis, but the tools and capabilities of AI have come a long way. Of course, this is useful for businesses who are serious about implementing AI for a wide range of tasks and daily workflows. However, that can also make AI usage more expensive, since more tools, as well as more compute-intensive workloads, are performed. All that said, Anthropic and OpenAI do have a claim to the price difference in that business owners paying for higher usage costs are essentially paying a premium for the better performing models that Anthropic and, to a lesser extent, OpenAI offer. For more coverage of AI trends that directly affect business owners, keep up with Go AI across our YouTube, social media, Substack, website blog, and more.